Students of BSc Part 1 and respected listener, a very good afternoon and welcome all of you to today's lecture. Students of BSc Part 1, I will teach you today the topic I have mentioned on the blackboard, kinetics for first order of reaction, which is selected from BSc Part 1 from Paper 3 Physical Chemistry, chosen from Unit 3rd titled as Chemical Kinetics. Once again, I repeat the topic. I will deliver today the topics I have mentioned on the blackboard, kinetics for first order of reaction. Today's topic is very special, very important for all the students of BSc Part 1 and as well as that is of those students who are participating, preparing engineering and medical entrance examination and various competitive examination, because the various questions set in various competitive examination based on kinetics for first order of reactions. Students of BSc Part 1, first of all, I appeal to you all of the students about the term kinetics. What do you mean by kinetics for first order of reaction? Same question may be repeated for second order of reaction, third order of reaction and zero order of reactions. But I will deliver today about the important features, postulates for first order of reaction. When question asked, those questions set in the competitive examination, write down the important features for kinetics for first order of reaction. Students respond in limited way. They respond maximum to postulates in reference of kinetics. But exactly, I explain here on the behalf of 5 or 6 postulates, the kinetics of any order of reaction can be explained. Out of all the postulates, important features, one by one, I explain in the classroom, in which first one is mainly concerning to that is of derivation of rate law rate equation. Secondly, students have to write down to plot the graphical representation. In the series of kinetics, the third postulate, students have to calculate half-life period. Fourth one, postulates regarding to that is of calculation of Wilhelm equation. Fifth one, calculation of rate constant for K1. Next one, sixth one, base to solve the numerical, or furthermore, students have to remember the specific example for first order of reaction. So students of BSc Part 1 on the behalf of 6 or 7 point, one can explain in depth form of kinetics for first order of reactions. Now let us turn one by one. Let us derive one by one the meaning of the kinetics of for first order of reaction. In ours, first of all, I bring to draw your kind immediate notice on our previous lecture based on chemical kinetics. In first part of chemical kinetics to solve as calculation of rate equation or rate law. First of all, I want to clear in your mind the rate equation and that is of rate law. Both are the same term. Say either rate equation or rate law. Both are the same term. Students should not be confused about rate law or that is of rate equation. Now it is the turn to define. How will you define rate law and rate equation? Rate law equation, nothing but it establishes the necessarily fundamental relationship between 3 important quantities, dx by dt, velocity constant K1, and finally that is of concentration, which is expressed A minus x at t is equals to t time. In t is equals to t time, very simple to define. It is very simple to define rate equation, rate law, the fundamental, the essential, the necessary, derivation equation which is mainly concerned the mutual relationship between three important quantities: velocity constant k1, rate of the reaction dx by dt, and that is of concentration, which is expressed, which is chosen at t is equal to that is of t timing CL. After the definition of rate equation or rate law, both are the same term. Now it is the turn to define, to derive, to express what are the possible kinds of rate equation, rate law. Students of BSc Part 1, there are two types of the rate law or rate equation. Rate equation one can derive on the behalf of Woodward and Boake's law, and further it is expressed two types: differential rate equation and that is of integral, that is of rate equation here. First of all, in order to derive the rate equation in both the conditions, both the mathematical operations, by means of that is of differential form, and second one that is of integral form, we have to select, we have to choose such common important example for first order of reaction. I have mentioned such important reaction, I have mentioned on the blackboard here, in which 1 mole of reactant A is undergoing to convert into that is a product. The progress of the whole chemical reaction one can explain by consideration two important timing phase or two important timings as interval, in which first of all at t is equals to 0, we take the initial concentration of A mole per liter for the reactant A. Since at t is equals to 0 timings, we take the initial concentration of A. So student, it is very clear. The concentration of product will be expressed as that is of 0, and after the t is equals to t timing here, suppose x mole of degree of dissociation is that is of dissociated from A to produce that is of degree of dissociation x mole per liter for in terms of product here. At t is equals to that is of t timing. So it is the fundamental timing kinetics operations to understand the progress of any chemical reaction by means of first order of reactions here. Now on this common example, now we apply the Goodward or Vage's law, the law of mass section for first order of reaction. As per postulate, as per definition, per rule of Goodward and Vage's law, the law of mass section, the rate is directly proportional to its unity power of initial concentration. It is equals to t timing present as A minus x here. So students of BSc Part 1, when we apply the law of mass section for such first order of reaction in such a position, proportional will be required here, and in order to remove the proportion we require a constant, that is a k1, very simple. And on by simplification, on solving, we get the mathematical expression in terms of dx by dt is equals to k1 into A minus x. Based on previous video of chemical kinetics, we have solved. Equation number second is known as differential rate equation, to have that is of in differential form, that is of dx by dt here. First form of rate equation or rate law we have derived here, dx by dt. Now in order to obtain, in order to solve this differential rate equation in terms of integral form of rate equation, we apply the mathematical integral concept, mathematical integral operation on equation number 2. Now by applying, we on integral the equation number that is of 2, in integral form next equation will be produced here. Now in this case, since k1 that is a rate constant here, on simplifying, on removing the integral, we require a constant, that is integral constant, and by applying two important conditions, t is equals to 0, x is equals to 0, to solve the value of integral constant here. So on in our previous video, on when we substitute equation number 4 and equation number 5, so we produce that is of integral rate equation in terms of log E base. When we convert, when we multiply by 2.303, we get the fundamental final integral rate equation for first order of fraction. K1 is equals to 2.303 upon t log a upon a minus x. Say that is of equation number 8 here. Here students, so BSc part 1, K1 denote here, that is of velocity constant for first order of fraction. T denotes here timing here. A denotes here initial concentration of the reactant, and a minus x denote the concentration as t is equals to t timing here. Once again, I focus you whole concentration on this, that is of K1 is equals to 2.303 upon t log a upon a minus x. It is known as fundamental. It is known as that is of original. It is known as that is of basic rate equation in terms of that is of integral rate equation here. The whole progress of the reaction can be utilized. The whole progress of the reaction can be studied by using equation number 8 here. By using equation number 8, one can calculate the value of rate constant if time t, initial concentration a, and that is of a minus x, concentration t is equals to t r, that is known here. So students of BSc part 1, the first part of kinetics is now completed here, in which we have defined about rate equation, rate law, and we have derived its two different forms. First one, that is of differential rate equation. Second one, that is of integral, that is of rate equation or rate law also. Now it is the turn, next part we have to deliver. Let us proceed the graphical representation. How will you calculate the next part, graphical representation for first order of reaction? Two major problem surround the mental power of the students. They are totally confused in which quantity. First one problem they face. First, in which quantities the graphical representation will be taken into account. Second one, the problem they face, that is of what is the shape and size of the curve here. So obviously it is very simple way, it is very simple method to solve these two major problem. First one, the quantity, which is mainly concerned the quantity in which the quantity, the graph will be plotted here. Second one, what is the shape of curve and size of the curve here. It is obviously it is very clear when we totally from equation number, we pick equation number 8 in order to solve the graphical representation. We pick from equation number 8 and we arrange and rearrange, and it will be now compared with that is of straight line equation of y is equals to mx plus c. I have totally advised to you here. We are having two types of the constant here. First one is small c, that was the mainly constant, that is of integral constant here. A second one, that is of intercept here, capital C, y is equals to mx plus c. In y is equals to mx plus c, that is of capital C here denotes at that is of intercept. And in the previous example, small c is denotes here for that is of integral constant here. When we arrange and we compare y is equals to mx plus c straight line equation here, so obviously we choose two types of the quantities in which y is equals to log a upon a minus x, and y is equals to log a upon a minus x, and x is equal to that is of t here. So students of BSc part 1, separately, individually, obviously we are having two types of the quantity in which y is equals to log a upon a minus x is equals to t here. So a graph is plotted between two quantities, y is equals to log a upon a minus x as an ordinate, and x is equal to that is of t as an that is of abscissa. So obviously c is equals to 0, intercept is equals to 0. So second problem automatically solved here. A straight line passing through the origin will be totally produced here because intercept c is equals to 0 here. So both of the problems now solved here. In graphical representation, straight line tangent will be produced here, will be that is obtained here because intercept c is equals to that is of 0 here. Or first one problem, that is in which quantities graphical representation will be taken into account, or in which quantity graphs will be plotted here. So obviously there is no dual concept in your mind here. Graphs will be graphical representation will be taken into account here. The graph will be plotted between y is equals to log a upon a minus x is equals to, and that is of x is equals to t agent, that is of abscissa. Now choose any, select any 2 points in our previous straight line PQ, in which you have to calculate the value of slope m is equals to k1 upon 2.303 here. So these were the 2 important parts involving into the features of chemical kinetics here. Now in coming timing, the rest part of chemical kinetics of first order we will deliver here, in which calculation of half-life period here, calculation of next one postulate 4, that is of calculation of Wilhelm equation here. Next one, that is of calculation of determination of units dimension for first order objection. And next one, furthermore we will calculate, we will determine the value of that is of problem calculation of K1 T1, and to solve the numerical problem, and we will know the first order of specific example furthermore here. Now let me allow to join you tomorrow. Till then, thank you very much.